Hey y'all, you see that beautiful rabbit out there in my yard? Isn't that beautiful? Hey y'all, this frugal granny, look what's sitting in my front yard this evening. Isn't that a beautiful bunny out there? Look at that. Eating the grass in my yard. I live out in the country, y'all, so I get to see all this beautiful wildlife out here. Sometimes there's deer in my backyard, but I haven't been able to get them on video yet. We have a lot of rabbits out here. So maybe there he goes. Oh, look at that. That is so awesome. Hey, little bunny. Hey, little bunny. Where are you, buddy? There you go. Oops, there you go. I wonder where he's gonna run off to. There it goes. There you go. Are you going home, little bunny? Bye, bunny. Bye, bunny. Where you going? Oh, you gonna eat some more grass? Or you just looking around? It's pretty overcast here this evening. We've had a lot of rain today, but Mr. Bunny wanted to come outside and eat some grass. He came out of the woods. See the woods back that way? That's where Mr. Bunny came from. There's woods beside my house, in front of my house, and behind my house. Not quite as many in front as there is behind it. But I love living in the country. You city folks don't get to see this too often. All right. Oops. Bye, Mr. Bunny.